The John Deere tractors probably is one of the best tractors on the world, but you can compare them with the MTZ Belarus. This is a good as well. And as you can see there, this is a John Deere, it's a 6920S, and we have an automatic, full automatic gearbox, which one is fully repaired. And then you can see the John Deere engineering master is doing like a lid on, so it's gonna be like a seal. And the gearbox is completely refurbished. As you can see, there we have a new pump. We have a freeze off, all the stuff like that. You can see there, these are the 2 mills. We still need to put the new one seal on. This is the filter location. The pump unit is okay. And we have a parking system. We did change the solenoid valves. These are replaced. Then we have some new seals in there. This all been repaired. So all is just perfect condition now. This is the parking stuff. It can be not so bad, but it's okay. There you can see is a connecting side. So that's how the works parking system. Which one is like locks the it's pushing into the lock. So this little thing in here. So what we need to do, we need to fit that thing in. As you can see, the damper side is already done on, so that it's screwed in. We can clean that stuff off, but it's not so important in this point now. What we have to do basically is we need to get the gearbox in this place in. So we have kind of like we need kind of in angle slack it in. The cab is up there, so that's done. It's with the strap. It's hold on with the strap, and then we have like a backside all done. These electronic control unit plugs in there, so these are done. These all connected. This cab on the side, it gives you a more space, more reveal. You can do it a lot easy. We have some good stuff. Which one holds this thing in the place? This is like a brick in one side. There's a special post, another special post in here, so the cab is holds on the place. And yeah, we're gonna slide that thing in pretty easy. So what I like about the John Deere tractors is the repairs is so simple. You can do it outside in the winter, and there is no problem of a cold and stuff like that. And we just keep pushing ourselves. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And what is a very important thing, don't forget to install the auxiliary drive shaft. Here it is. It's very important. Don't be shy. Put that thing in. Put that cookie down. Very good. It goes in here like this. Perfect. It fits in, just pop it in. Otherwise you're gonna be without the drive shaft. It's not gonna be very funny. And don't forget to put that thing in to connect it.